Good day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD. And today's Friday, May 12th, 2023. It is 7:03 and 56 seconds, a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And today's research, Superflare. So let's hop to it here. Has Superflare, with massive, high-velocity prominence, eruption, date April 27, 2023. Source: National Institute of Natural Sciences. A team of research astronomers use simultaneous ground-based and space-based observations to capture a more complete picture of a superflare on a star. The observed flare started with a very massive, high-velocity prominence eruption. These results give us a better idea of how superflares, as stellar prominence eruptions occur. As some stars have been seen releasing superflares over 10 times larger than the largest solar flare ever seen on the Sun. The hot ionized gas released by solar flares can influence the environment around the Earth, referred to as space weather. More powerful superflares must have an even greater impact on the evolution of any planets forming around the star, or the evolution of any life forming on those planets. But the details of how superflares and prominence eruptions on stars occur have been unclear. The outer space scientific investigators succeeded in capturing a superflare with continuous, high temporal resolution observations, and by calculating the velocity of the eruption requires making some assumptions about aspects that aren't directly observable, but even the most conservative estimates far exceed the escape velocity of the star, 347 kilometers a second, indicating that the prominence eruption was capable of breaking free of the star's gravity and developing into corona mass ejections. The prominence eruption was also one of the most massive ever observed, carrying trillions of tons of material. And this is the Professor of Space Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.